Well, it's officially summer, but we're having some wonderful weather, which is a real treat compared to what we had last year. We got rain again last night. Today the high is about 70 degrees, so it has just been wonderful. And the plants are liking it too. The apple tree has apples on it, and the plum trees, the wild plums, actually have plums on them, which is something we don't get very often. That also means the grass is doing wonderfully, and even though we don't have what you'd call a lawn, we still have to get out and mow. And this 12-year-old Cub Cadet still gets the job done, even though it's been worked really hard and pretty well abused trying to keep this piece of property mowed. And that riding lawnmower is not the most aggressive thing we have for cutting some of the weeds and brush around here. We've got one that cuts a bigger path, and it's quite brutal and violent, but we're going to save that for another video. So it's back to work for me, and we'll see you next time. We need the posts somewhere else, and then I think that tree's big enough.